Error code E9 in higher air conditioners is a high work-intense protection code that occurs when the heat exchange thermistor detects temperatures over 65 degrees Celsius twice within 30 minutes while the AC is in heating mode. The common causes of this error code include a faulty electronic expansion valve, a dirt-clogged heat exchanger, and faulty heat exchange sensors. To fix the issue, a systematic procedure can be followed. Start by restarting the air conditioner system through power cycling and confirm that the wind temperature is below 65 degrees Celsius. If the error persists after the system has run for some time, check the room temperature and pipe temperature sensors for faults, and repair or replace them as necessary. If the sensors are functioning properly, replace the temperature monitoring circuit on the indoor unit. Additionally, assess how the indoor unit blows air. If it does so poorly, clean the filters, check if the fan operates properly, and repair it if necessary. By following these steps, the error code E9 can be effectively addressed and resolved.